Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on HUAWEI MediaPad M5 Lite. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Chrome, then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Inside there's the passwords tab, and here make sure that save passwords is enabled. Now when we go back and try to reach any website that we can log into, now we're gonna try to log in. Now a few seconds after you click on the login button, you should see the pop-up with a question to save the password. Let's save it and move back to the password manager the same way. And here you will find the Facebook or whichever website you tried to log in. Open it, and inside you can see your username, your password. There's option to preview the password, but for that you need to set up the lock screen on your tablet and unlock your tablet proceeding the clicking on the I button. Now there's also option to remove the password from the saved list with this trash bin button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.